Why does your scanner show the P0724 engine code? What does it mean? P0724 is a diagnostic trouble code for brake switch B circuit high. This engine code indicates that this diagnostic trouble code, DTC, that indicates a fault in the circuit that connects the brake switch to the powertrain control module, PCM, in vehicles with automatic transmissions. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty or misadjusted brake switch. Wiring and connector issues. Blown fuse or fusible link. Torque converter problems. Brake light issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, GMC, and Subaru models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.